what time it is. We got SNR. Today is kind of like a cruise day. Going to the gun range right now. About to make it right now, actually. So I'm just gonna shoot my shotgun today, actually. But let me get a little bit of POV while we head there. Jay taught me how to downshift just by using a pedal. And I could fart a little bit. Sorry for the bumpy road. Whew. Y'all heard that? Oh my goodness. Alright, so it looks like it's a little calmer now. I'm gonna catch y'all when we make it to the range. But I mean, this is not how I usually start my vlogs, but hey, fuck it, huh? I'm gonna start off right. There you go. I'm gonna shoot his cannon.
If, cause you got 2 9mm and the same shit, you know.
That's what I'm saying. If you about to, yo, minor his just.
Alright.
This is Alex's.
He shot the 10. Yeah, more than 10. He could.
I like it. Out of 10.
I'm about to put this through right
8.
Yes.
That's good. I like it. It's a 9mm too.
Say that. Fireball, they lucky ain't.
Yeah, something less
They
than.
lucky, they lucky.
That's that green joint?
Yeah.
Turn the barrel. My bad, y'all. The audio cut out in this clip. I don't know why, but I was just showing y'all my fingers. Like,
brother, what's that?
alright, y'all. I took my mic out because we're kind of away from the people shooting pistols and ARs and stuff. We got people shooting shotguns, but this is the little shotgun area right here. We have like things that fly and play, but I just reloaded my but I just reloaded my clip, and they only do bird shots. Before I had slugs. I think I remember telling y'all last vlog, I believe. But this time we got him. So this time I should go shoot my shotgun. Finally, y'all. But we about to start shooting right now. I don't have Jay recording me. We're ready.
Hold on. You want me to hold that?
Hold on, let me try and practice it first.
Hold on, bro. Shit. What?
Whenever you're ready.
Alright. Fire. Is this?
I put my safety, bro. My bad.
That joint is smooth though.
Hey, he fucking.
Alright.
Alright.
I'll make it.
Alright. Fire.
There's nothing in the chamber right now. You shoot that?
Strong.
You ready? Ready? Oh. Oh shit. She shot twice.
Alright, we got Jay shooting my shotgun.
You ready? Yeah. Alright, fire. What the fuck? Hey! You ready? You ready? Yeah! Fuck! I mean, hey, I know. Hey, dump that again. Alright, go. Hey, remember, the quicker you shoot, the closer it is, the better the spread.
That's how I was saying. That's how I was like, I gotta hurry then. Alright, bet.
Alright, ready? Go.
Alright, y'all. So that was on me. I shot 2 times in a row, and my gun wasn't broken in yet. So that was on me. It jammed twice because I did that twice. So I'm gonna let her shoot once in a row, because I mean you can shoot it twice in a row. It's an automatic shotgun. I mean semi-auto. But I haven't broken in yet, so that's why it's like jamming up a little bit. And I need to oil a little bit more. So I'm gonna oil a little bit more, and then I'm gonna shoot one at a time because I'm going a little bit too fast. I'm gonna slow the fuck down. But yeah, that was a little update. But I'm gonna go again, and I'm gonna shoot with the extended this time because everybody's trying to shoot at it all at once. So this will be easier because we have to keep reloading the clip. But yeah, that was a little update.
Here you go. Ready? Oh, shit. Ready? Oh shit. Oh shit.
My bad, I had to. Currently going to Mount Benel, Austin, if y'all don't know. But a little POV kind of cruise till then. Jay's gonna put on the show. Here we go, y'all. Wow. It's crazy. Oh my goodness, Jay. He's so crazy. He's so wild. Sunset right now. It's 6:31. Sun's setting around like 7, so we're just trying to catch it before we go. I'm gonna catch her when we find a good view spot to take pictures from, and then we can probably end the vlog there. These mountains are so crazy. Jay's vlog too at One Boy Scout, but we made it, y'all. We fucking made it. Hello, Leaf. Shout out to Jay. Yeah, y'all.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Mountains for real. Middle. What the fuck? That's weird. Shotgun doesn't work. Hey. Let me get out the way, taking pictures. Line up today. Beautiful view. Look at the view, y'all. Crazy.
Oh shit, there's a river right here.
Crazy. But I'm gonna help Jan record his little, he gonna roll by right here. Just casually waiting. It's a really quick turn, so I really don't want to miss it. About to take some pictures right now. You got a camera over there. Stay tuned for the pictures on Instagram. Y'all know my Instagram by now. Y'all should. If y'all haven't, I'll put there in the description as well. But this is the lineup and about to take some pictures. And then we're probably going to cruise and I'll end off there. But literally, we just picked a random spot on the highway. We didn't even plan this spot. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So, hey, worked out though.